Hello students. Previously, we have learned about local time and standard time. What is a local time? A time of a place decided by the location of the sun in the sky is called local time. And what is the standard time? The official local time of a region or a country determined with the Greenwich meridian or a prime meridian is called standard time of that region or that country. And today we are going to revise our knowledge regarding the local time and the standard time by observation of figure number 1.4. It is a map of India. Let us. And now take out your textbooks and turn page number 6. Observe figure number 1.4. It is a map of India, location and extent of India. First question. Considering the longitudinal extent of India, how many longitudes with a difference of 1 degree can be drawn on the map? Look at this longitudinal extent of India from 68 degree 7 minute east longitude to 97 degree 25 minute east longitude. This is a longitudinal extent of India. First, we will find out the difference between these two longitudes. 97 degree 25 minute and 68 degree 7 minute. It is about 29 degree 18 minutes. So there is a difference between these two longitudes. It is about 29 degree 18 minutes. So at the interval of 1 degree, 30 longitudes can be drawn on the map of India. It is only 29 degrees difference. What about 18 minutes? So for showing this point of 18 minute, we have to draw one more longitude. Thus, considering the longitudinal extent of India, one can draw 31 longitudes. But remember that the difference between 30th longitude and 31st longitude will be not 1 degree. Next question. By how many minutes do two consecutive longitudes differ? As you know that the difference between every two consecutive longitude is 4 minutes. Next question. What is the value of degrees of longitude at Mirzapur? Look at this map. First we will find out the location of Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. This is the location of Mirzapur and this is a longitude passes through Mirzapur. So the value of degrees of longitude at Mirzapur is 82 degree 30 minute east longitude. Next question. If it is 8 am at 82 degree 30 minute east longitude, what would be the time in their clocks at the following places? Jammu, Madurai, Jaisalmer, Guwahati. Look at this longitude of 82 degree 30 minute east longitude. It passes through Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh, and this longitude is referred for the standard time of India. As you know that the local time of 82 degree 30 minute east longitude is selected as a standard time for whole country. And this standard time is used all over the country. And the clock for all the places in India is set according to the local time of 82 degree 30 minute east longitude, including Jammu. Jammu is the winter capital and the largest city in Jammu district of the Indian Union territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Jaisalmer in Rajasthan, Guwahati in Assam, and Madurai in Tamil Nadu. And therefore, if it is 8 am at 82 degree 30 minute east longitude, the time in their clocks at the given places, these are Jammu, Madurai, Jaisalmer, Guwahati, will be same, that is 8 am. Even these places are located on a different longitude. Their standard time will be same as a local time of 82 degree 30 minute east longitude. Next question. Though the distance between them is more, why does not the standard time differ in these places? As you know that Jammu, Jaisalmer, Guwahati and Madurai, these places are located on different longitudes. So their local time will be different. If there are different local times within a country because of the longitudinal difference, then there will be chaos and confusion. So to avoid this chaos and confusion, the local time of 82 degree 30 minute east longitude is considered as a standard time for whole the country. As you know that if there are different local times within a country because of a longitudinal difference, then there will be a lack of synchronization in the routine activity in the country. If each one follows their local time, discrepancies emerge in carrying out daily business in the country. Therefore, generally the local time at the longitude which generally passes through the middle of the country is deemed to be the standard time for whole country. This standard time is used all over the country. Therefore, though the distance between Jammu, Madurai, Jaisalmer, Guwahati is more, the standard time does not differ in these places.